As you can see, guys, I am back with part 2 for the Manuka and Honey Shea Moisture Restore and Repair. The first video was a video of me unboxing it and seeing that I had everything in it, including this cool new shirt. Oh, you see it? You see it? Oh, wow. So I am super excited to show you guys how I achieved somewhat of this look. This is what my hair looks like after using the products, how soft my hair is. Show you from the side. But enough of me talking, let's get into the video. Alright, hey guys, I went ahead and grabbed me a towel to put around my neck so that way I wouldn't get so wet. I also grabbed a comb and combed my hair out. That is a bottle of water. Just gonna spray it to get my hair moistened so that way I can put the Hydrate and Repair. The first product I'm going to be using is the protein power treatment. So it helps repair damage caused by overprocessing in just one use. Treatment is key, so leaving it on for 10 to 15 minutes and rinsing thoroughly will definitely help ease your style. Also gave us this little comb brush thing, which I really like because it was like it was massaging my hair at the same time. I felt it to be really cool and soothing. So a good cleansing is super crucial. So I went ahead and used the Hydrate and Repair shampoo, which might I add is extremely milky, to my wet hair and gently massage it in. As you guys can see, it's getting really soapy. I actually put a little extra because I did a second wash just for some deep cleansing. It's suggested that the shampoo gently cleanses and reduces breakage on heat style hair up to 76% when used or followed up with the heat repair conditioner. Alright, so I just got back from washing it with the shampoo, which smells amazing. It's not like overly scented. It's like a light honey flower type scent. Honestly, I'm transitioning from colored hair. As you guys know, when I had dreads, my hair was colored multiple colors, and I use heat. Even though I use the Shea Moisture Heat Protectant Spray and castor oil conditioner, I still put heat on my hair. So my hair is coming from pretty, I won't say bad because it wasn't overly heated or overly like damaged. However, it was colored, so I was doing a lot with my hair. So this is definitely helping out because it's repairing my hair. I'm gonna use because this is a package, I'm gonna use the conditioner in the bottle. I can save this for a later time and use it and come back and let you guys know what happened with this product. So I'll just get used to using this one. They all come with these safety seals, so let's go ahead and use the conditioner. Okay, so this isn't as milky as the shampoo, which I like because it's not running all over the place. What I like is that they sent this little Shea Moisture comb brush type thing, which is cool because I have short hair, so it's easy for me to just massage it in with this, and this actually feels so good. That's my best friend laughing. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this in for 3 minutes, wash it out, and I'll be right back. So I am back and I washed that conditioner out, and I must say my hair feels like it feels so soft that it's just about to lay down. But I know I don't have that type of hair. I am going to use the, I think I should leave. Yeah, I'm gonna use this now. It is the Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. Hydrates, reconditions, strengthens, and smooths damaged hair for easy styling. Helps reduce breakage on heat style hair up to 87%. I haven't been using heat on my hair lately, so that part won't really refer to me, but it's good to know that if you want to put heat on, that this conditioner will help. So let's just go ahead and try it out. So I have the coconut spray from Shea Moisture, so this one's actually really cool to use. It is really watery, so be prepared. And again, this still has that same honey smell, which I like, so it's not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and crunch my hair with it. Now the next one I'm actually really excited about. It is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. My hair's not super long, guys, so probably just gonna look like a balm I'm putting on my hair, or like some sticky tacky stuff, because this definitely says that it has castor seed oil in it, hydrogenated castor oil, shea and yogurt. It looks like a balm. It feels like, okay, like a pomade. You guys see that? Feels like a pomade, so that's gonna be pretty interesting. Go ahead and warm it up. Oh, I'm gonna need a little more on there. Warm it up, and then I'm gonna rub it in. My hair is still damp, so that's pretty cool. So if I do have any split ends, this will definitely work it out for me. Overall, I'm super excited how my hair smells and feels from this product. It's super soft. Probably a little too soft for my liking, but I know after time it's gonna dry out and we have to go in with more of that leave-in conditioner to keep it soft, or the actually conditioning hair power treatment, which I like this a lot actually. It did feel like whipped cream, but I feel like over time it's gonna help my extremely dry and brittle hair, because lately it's been drying out a lot faster, probably because it's so hot outside. But I definitely like this. I can't wait to try this and come back and let you guys know. This is the protein power packet treatment. Somewhat, I think it's kind of similar to the actual conditioner. However, the protein packet sits in more like a mask, and I can't wait to share how that helps my hair and how it feels and potentially how it smells. Thank you guys so much, Shea Moisture, for this little cool brush. I really appreciate this. It's like a scrubber, so it's like giving my head a massage as well as activating or get the products into my cuticles. So I am pretty much done with the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Go ahead and ask any questions that you guys have. And make sure your post notifications are turned on, so when I post a video, you guys can get the notification. It's the little bell that's in the corner somewhere. I don't know if it's right, left, down, up. Find the bell, click it, so that way you know when I get my next Shea Moisture box. Yeah, I love the products, and I'm not just saying that because they send me things. I'm brutally honest. All of the actual products I receive, whether I like it or not, because there are some products, again, that I don't really think they do anything or they smell like anything, but which is why I didn't use the protein pack, because I just didn't feel like I wanted to do 5 different conditioners with this. My hair is not that damaged, plus I can use this later with someone that I know has damaged hair, so I'll save this one. And again, as always guys, until next time, I'm out.